Hey, what's up everybody? So the big news just keeps on rolling in. We have more exciting news to share with you this week. But first, the first 3 months of our van tour is going to be spent in Canada! So we were just accepted into an amazing Accelerator program in Fredericton, New Brunswick, which is about 4 to 5 hours northeast of Portland, Maine. Yes. So ultimate East Coast. It's beautiful up there. Yeah. We can't wait to get there. We're super excited.
But tell them what an Accelerator is.
So an Accelerator program is usually a 3 to 6 month intensive program where an organization is providing startup companies with funding, with mentorship, with resources, with a place to work exclusively on your startup company.
Yeah, it's amazing. They are going to provide incredible mentorship. They're going to provide a nice financial package that will support our living costs while we're there, and also prototyping phase of our business. So it's a tremendous blessing, and we are so honored to be a part of this group of people.
And this particular accelerator is part of the Global Accelerator Network, which is invitation only, very highly respected around the world, and we're super happy to be a part of it. And it's called the Summer Institute, and what they're super passionate about is supporting good people who are looking to make a big impact. And it's so cool that they saw that in us.
Yeah, it really, it makes us feel like we're on the right track, and we are so jazzed to get there, and we're counting the days, honestly, and it's so exciting, and the van should be ready just in time.
It's gonna be tough. We're gonna have to definitely accelerate that timeline, but we're giving ourselves the majority of the month of April, and then it's off to New Brunswick.
Yeah, so definitely stay tuned for the van build, because like Daane said, it's completely accelerated. It's gonna be so much faster than we had actually anticipated, which is probably gonna up the stress level a little bit.
Just a little.
It's like a race to the finish. And we're going to be doing it separately, actually. I'm staying here in Los Angeles for a couple of weeks to continue wrapping up my photography business, and he's going to take off on the road to Michigan today, actually. This is just moments before he's leaving. Yeah,
30 plus hours of windshield time. Here I come, just me and Luna. Luna's coming along for the ride.
Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's the news for now, and stay tuned, and we can't wait to share more exciting news with you soon. Hey guys, it's Marisa with an update. I'm still here in Topanga. This is my studio. I just am wrapping up a shoot day, but I wanted to let you know Daane made it to Michigan, and he's got a special message about what he found there.
It's always a risk coming to Michigan in the month of April, but I never thought it was going to be like this. This is unbelievable. So we're calling in all kinds of favors, trying to find an indoor facility where we can park this thing and at least work inside out of the elements. So we'll see what we can come up with. We got to get lucky, because there's not going to be much happening in weather like this.
What are we gonna do? How are we supposed to get this done by April 25th? I don't know. But we have to. We have to get this done by April 25th, or we don't have a place to live. So, stay tuned.